Welcome to my channel at Veterinary Diary. In this video, we will share about what causes blood in cat urine. Blood in a cat's urine, known as hematuria, can be caused by various underlying issues, including 1. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Bacterial infections can irritate the urinary tract, leading to inflammation and bleeding. 2. Bladder stones or crystals. Solid formations in the bladder can cause irritation, pain, and bleeding. 3. Injury or trauma. Any injury to the urinary tract can result in bleeding. 4. Tumors. Benign or malignant growths in the bladder or urinary tract can cause bleeding. 5. Inflammatory conditions. Conditions such as cystitis or interstitial cystitis can lead to inflammation and bleeding. 6. Kidney disease. Issues related to the kidneys can sometimes result in blood in the urine. 7. Coagulation disorders. Blood clotting disorders can cause excessive bleeding in various parts of the body, including the urinary tract. 8. Parasites. Certain parasites can cause irritation and inflammation, leading to blood in the urine. If you notice blood in your cat's urine, it's important to seek veterinary care promptly for diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video is useful.